In general, the Pay TV operators have a business model, selling copyright content to consumers' home STBs, or TV sets like sport, events. They are paying for the rights to get them, prepare them in their studios, and distribute this to their subscribers. Therefore, they do not like to lose the control over their content distribution, which of course is the case when the DVB-TV streams are decrypted in a headend and streamed into a network unencrypted. So they have installed business models for hospitality networks, selling their content according to the number of rooms in a hotel or hospital, by calculating an average usage of this. Usually, they are renting their own or certified STBs with embedded decryption and smart cards for subscription and decryption by the so-called conditional access systems. An advanced security is meanwhile done by the so-called conditional interface, CI modules, and further on by TV set fitting CI Plus modules. Consumer CI Plus modules are not intended to use in headend receiver CI slots. Consumer cam with max capacity for 2 TV services in parallel. Imagine a dual-tuner consumer STB TV set with recording capability. Watch one channel and record a second. The DVB norm has explicitly excluded HE receivers from the CI Plus norm specification. Headend receivers are using professional multi-service decryption CA modules. Abbreviation to remember: MSD Cam. These professional ones can decrypt more than 2 TV channels. These professional MSD cams usually can be obtained only from the Pay TV operator for your system, with a strict contract for securing their content rights to stay in your network and not being misused.